Hello, welcome to Jenelle's channel. So in this video, she'll be doing Fulani tribal braids in my hair. Yes, take a look at this awesome braid technique. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please remember to do so. Like, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone. As you can see, my girl is rocking and loving her style. So let's get into how I got these. So I'm making a part from ear to ear. I'll have knotless box braids in the back and some feeding cornrows in the front. That's what's gonna give the Fulani tribal effect when we're done. After I sectioned the front of the head for the feed-in braids, I went ahead and pre-parted the back of the head for the knotless. Here I did a half braid rotation, then I add one piece of hair, then braided. Then I'm gonna add another piece of hair, then braid. In total, I added 3 pieces of extension. For length, you can always add as you braid down. I'm not gonna lie, I was really excited to do this style and she was excited as well. She gave me the freedom to come up with this style for her that would look cute on her, and I decided to go with these Fulani braids. So here goes. So again, I'm splitting the hair into 3 sections. Ensure that I have a good grip. Make a half rotation braid. Then I'm adding 1 piece of extension. Braid 1 rotation. Then I'll be adding another piece. And then I finish up with the 3rd piece. For the desired length, you can always add hair as you braid down. I always like to make sure that I'm tucking the hair. So I'll add product to the natural hair and make sure it's underneath the extension. This will make the style last longer and it just looks neater. I'm now done with the knotless braids in the back, so let's show you how I got the front. So I start by braiding the model's natural hair. Then I add a piece of extension and I just gradually add until I get the desired size I'm looking for. Don't mind me having the model pass me the hair. I usually have a braiding rack, but I was on vacation and I did not travel with it. I was also using the back of a chair, but she did not mind helping me, so. So we've now completed one side of the head. I basically did the same thing on the other side. Here's the finished look. As I said before, she was really excited to get this style, and I was also excited for doing them. She looked really, really nice with them. They're not tight at all. She's feeling herself. I can't be mad at that. She's very beautiful. So let me know how you did. Try the style, leave a comment, let me know how I did, and stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Oh, before you go, there's a couple videos you need to check out. You can do that on my outro. Thanks.